Kocom Video Doorphone Model Kvm524Gs installation. First, you start by opening the boxes and check all equipment and peripherals. You can find the manual to consult, the monitor, the bracket behind the monitor, you will find also the handset and the connectors underneath the handset. You can open the box of the camera, you will find the camera and the screws. Now first, you start by passing the cable. You can use an RJ45 UTP cable for installation. You are going to use 6 cores of the cable. After passing the cable, you take off the bracket from the monitor, check the place for installation, mark, drill the holes and put the screws on the wall and tighten them with the screwdriver. After you cut the cable, you trim it and you loosen the wires and break them one by one. Make sure the wires are correctly fitted. Use 4 color codings, write them on a paper and remember the colors so you can use them the same colors for the camera. You bring the monitor, prepare the screwdriver to connect the wires. You start by connecting the first 4 wires so you can use the camera. You have to connect the B1 connection to the B of the camera, the Y1 connection to the Y of the camera, the R1 connection to R of the camera, Y1 connection to W of the camera. SW1 and SW2 are used for the lock. They are a normal switch, so you have to use a power supply to open the lock. After you have connected all the wires, make sure the screws are fully tightened. Now you can see the B1, Y1, R1, W1 and the switch 1, switch 2 for the lock. The last one, the 5th one, is used for intercommunication to the handset. It is used only for the handset system. After you connect the handset and the monitor is ready. Now we are going to install the camera. You take the bracket from the camera, you check where it's going to be positioned, drill the holes and fit the screws to the wall with the screwdriver. After you cut the cable, you trim the cable and take the 4 wires you have used from the monitor. You can see the wire is ready. Now you bring the camera and you connect the wiring to the camera. You have to connect the B1 of the monitor to B of the camera, Y1 of the monitor to Y of the camera, R1 of the monitor to R of the camera, W1 of the monitor to W of the camera. You have to remember to connect the lock as W1 as W2 from the monitor. After you have connected all the wires, make sure you tighten the screws and put the camera back into place. You have the screws provided in the box and you can tighten them to the camera with the screwdriver. After you tighten the screws, you have 2 small covers, so you can cover the screws with the cover, same color of the camera. Demonstration and functions of KVM524Gs. The visitor comes, rings the bell. The attendant can answer from the handset. You can open the door from the right button and hang up. Functions. The middle button is used for observation. The right button is used for the lock. The left button is used for the internal communication, so you can communicate from a floor to another or from a room to another without listening from outside. Also you have the contrast and the brightness at the bottom and the volume control.